Mesdames, Messieurs, it is with great pleasure that I introduce to you one of the most sensational, truly unique talents of this century. The one, the only...
Assembly line, she's making history, working for victory. Rosie the Riveter keeps a sharp look.
Carol, who is now Mrs. Bill Johnson, took a general home economics course. Not one which would lead to professional employment, but one which fitted her for that very important career of being Mrs. Johnson. Kay's home would be like this. There were many times she was glad that her college training had prepared her so well for home life.
I can't type. I don't take dictation. I won't sharpen pencils. I can't file. My boss calls me indispensable.
Well, Mr. Bradshaw, what's on your mind?
Bearings, Inspector.
She's a good one, too. Just look at that record.
Okay, now, Walt, you've had your little joke. Give her to somebody else. I ask for a man.
We don't have a man with her qualifications. Seriously, Brad, if you treat her right, she might make you a darn good employee.
What do you mean, treat her right?
Get that chip off your shoulder. What's wrong with her?
She's a woman, isn't she?